Now we will discuss about reasons why the Turks succeeded. There were many reasons behind the success of Turks in India. First, the existing feudal system. This system weakened India because it was based on caste system and prejudices. Second, fragmentation of power and growth of smaller kingdoms. The kings had become weaker with smaller armies, and Rajputs were fighting with each other and were not united in those days. Third, lack of military tactics and warfare techniques. India was not as advanced at this time. Turks had superior army with swift horses. So these were the reasons for the success of the Turks. Now, what was impact of Turkish invasions? First, it laid the foundation of Delhi Sultans. The invasion paved the way for the establishment of the Delhi Sultanate in India for the next 5 centuries. Second, intermingling of cultures and sharing of knowledge. Indo-Islamic context resulted in the setting of a composite culture that can be seen in arts, architecture, language, music, and foods of this time. Third is migration of large number of people. These invasions also opened the routes for migration of people to the subcontinent in the form of soldiers, traders, and workers. Thank you, students. Students, now you have to give the answers of these questions. Question 1. Which invasions paved the way for the establishment of Delhi Sultans? Question 2. Which type of people migrated to the subcontinent after the Turkish invasions? Question 3. How many times Ghazni invaded India? Question 4. What helped Turks to enter India?